Hey friends! In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this really cute, easy hairstyle that you can do in less than 10 minutes. And this is another really cute idea I got from Pinterest, and here's another way you can do it, which is really cute also. So I started off by spraying her hair with the spray bottle. And then I just detangled her hair with the wide tooth comb. And then I'm just gonna create a part using the arch of her eyebrow as my guide, and I'm gonna do that on both sides. And now I'm gonna create another part going across, and this part is going to connect those other two parts together, which will then create a square part. And then I'm just gonna spray her with a spray bottle a little bit just because it was getting dry and it makes it easier to work with when it's damp. And then I'm just going to detangle it just because I felt some knots in it. And now I'm just gonna add some of this flaxseed gel that I made to her edges before I get that ponytail in there. And I will have a link in the description box to how I make this flaxseed gel. And now I'm just using my fine tooth comb just to smooth out that hair before I get that ponytail in there. And now I'm gonna put my elastic in, and I'm gonna put my elastic as close to that part that goes across as I possibly can. And then back here, I'm gonna spray her hair with the spray bottle and then just detangle it a bit. And now I'm gonna create a middle part, and I'm gonna use this elastic as my guide to where that middle part will be. And then I'm just gonna take this ponytail and I'm gonna split it in half, and then I'm going to create a braid on one of the parts. So I'm gonna be creating a ponytail on this side, so I just grabbed some flaxseed gel and I'm putting it on her edges. And now I'm just gonna take my fine tooth comb to smooth out the hair before I get that elastic in there. And now I was supposed to take that braid and combine it with that ponytail, but the braid is not lying nice and flat because I did not braid it in the direction that I'm going to put that ponytail in. So I took it out and then I again braided it in the direction that that ponytail is gonna be in so that it will lie nice and flat and not kind of sideways. And now I can take that braid and combine it with the hair and then put an elastic in it and create a nice ponytail. And then now I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. And then again, I'm just gonna take some flaxseed gel and I'm going to clean up her edges a bit. And then I did add a tiny bit of flaxseed gel to her ponytails, and then I'm using this denim brush just to brush that out. I just do like a couple strokes and then it helps to define those curls a bit. So my friends, there you have it, another cute, really fast hairstyle you can do in your little one's hair. Friends, if you like this hairstyle, give us a thumbs up because it definitely does help us in the YouTube world and help our channel grow. And if you're not already subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorials. We love you, friends. Bye.